Hurricanes, the mighty tempests of the tropics, have fascinated and terrified humanity for centuries. These colossal storms, known for their devastating power, form over warm ocean waters and unleash their fury on coastal regions, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. Join us as we delve into the science, history, and human impact of hurricanes.
It's really pretty dangerous outside, to be honest with you.
250-mile-an-hour winds, and we lost everything here that was livable. We have nowhere to live right now.
From the Caribbean to the Gulf of Mexico, from the Atlantic to the Pacific, hurricanes have left their mark on our world. In this documentary, we will explore the birth and anatomy of these storms, the advancements in tracking and predicting them, their devastating impacts, and the role of climate change in their increasing intensity. We'll also hear from those who have survived their wrath and learn how communities prepare for these powerful forces of nature. Our journey begins in the tropics, where warm ocean waters serve as the cradle for these storms. Hurricanes start as clusters of thunderstorms, but with the right conditions, they can evolve into powerful cyclones. Warm water, moist air, and low wind shear work in harmony to fuel these storms, causing them to grow and spin with increasing intensity. The process begins with a disturbance in the atmosphere, often a tropical wave moving off the coast of Africa. As this wave travels westward, it encounters warm ocean waters, which provide the energy needed for the storm to develop. The warm water heats the air above it, causing it to rise and create an area of low pressure. This rising air cools and condenses, forming clouds and thunderstorms. As the thunderstorms organize and the low-pressure area strengthens, the storm begins to rotate due to the Coriolis effect, a force caused by the Earth's rotation. If the conditions are just right, the storm can intensify into a tropical depression, then a tropical storm, and finally, a hurricane. A hurricane's structure is a marvel of nature. At its heart lies the eye, a calm and clear center surrounded by the eye wall, where the storm's fiercest winds and heaviest rains are found. Spiral rain bands extend outward, bringing heavy rainfall and strong winds to areas far from the storm's center. Understanding this structure is crucial for predicting a hurricane's behavior and potential impact.
8 out of 10 people who die in hurricane-related deaths are actually caused by water. It's caused by flooding, storm surge, people not evacuating the coastal areas, and the waters rise faster than they were expecting. Look at Hurricane Harvey in 2017. Look at the 2016 Louisiana floods. It happened almost overnight that these areas that were not in a flood-prone area actually got flooded.
Advancements in meteorology have significantly improved our ability to track and predict hurricanes. Using satellites, radar, and computer models, scientists can monitor storm development and project their paths. This information is vital for issuing timely warnings and preparing for landfall, saving countless lives in the process.
So increasing global temperatures lead to increasing extreme events too, and we're seeing those extreme events now. We're seeing more heat waves, more wildfires. We're seeing changes in the water cycle that lead to more heavy precipitation.
We were able to utilize the data in order to assist with emergency managers. For example, with Hurricane Harvey, when it was approaching Texas, in particular the Corpus Christi area, we were able to see from the satellite satellite data where the eye was located, and that allowed emergency managers to evacuate approximately 200 people during the time that the eye was traveling over that particular area.
When hurricanes make landfall, they bring a trifecta of hazards: high winds, heavy rainfall, and storm surges. The aftermath can be catastrophic, with widespread flooding, property damage, and loss of life. Survivors recount their harrowing experiences, reminding us of the human toll these storms exact.
So the sea was all here, and it was up to my chest in my house, and I had my neighbors that lived it out all night long.
I don't even know what to do because it's just November. I was flooded out. I lost almost everything in the last flood, which was November, just a few months ago. And I'm very worried.
Throughout history, certain hurricanes have left indelible marks on the world. Hurricanes Katrina, Sandy, and Harvey are just a few examples of storms that have reshaped landscapes, economies, and communities. By studying these historical events, we gain insights into the challenges and resilience of those affected. As our climate changes, so too do the characteristics of hurricanes. Rising sea levels and warmer ocean temperatures are contributing to more intense and frequent storms. Understanding the link between climate change and hurricanes is crucial for developing strategies to mitigate their impact and protect vulnerable communities. Hurricanes are a testament to nature's power and unpredictability. While we may never be able to control these storms, our understanding and preparedness continue to evolve. Through science, resilience, and community spirit, we can face the challenges posed by hurricanes and emerge stronger on the other side. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of hurricanes. Stay safe, stay informed, and remember the strength of the human spirit in the face of nature's fury.